So here's part 2 of the part 1 that I couldn't finish about nomenclature in chemistry. Well, right now that I'm learning in English. So the thing that I kind of skipped was that you add more prefixes if there is more or less oxygens in the molecule. For example, if there's a chlorite or chlorate or chlorite, if there is more oxygen, then you put if there's less oxygen, you put hyperchlorite, and then there's a chlorite which has two oxygens, and if there's 3 oxygens, you use chlorate, and then if you have 4 oxygen, it's perchlorate. So perchlorate for 4, chlorate for 3, and chlorite for 2, and then hyperchlorite for 1. So that's like a bit of difference. And then we are talking about covalent ones. Now, if there is a hydrate, which is basically the H that tells you it's an acid, you put hydrate, and then the element name, and then the base name, and then you put ic or ate, depending on if it is a chlorite or chlorate, or if it's just in general, just ic all the time, like IC. And then you put acid. So basically hydro blah blah ic acid, if that makes any sense. Because I'm not as good enough to give examples. And then the last one was that, well, I kind of explained already, but if it is a chlorate, then it becomes ic, so chloric. And if it's a chlorite, it becomes like a chlorus, so chlorate becomes chloric acid, and chlorite becomes chlorus acid, if that's ever correct. I don't think it is. You just get the meaning. Yeah, that's kind of the stuff that we did.